Mabuhay Philippines!
Hey guys, nandito kami sa airport. Waiting for Janela Salvador arriving in Bangkok, Thailand for the premiere of Under Parallel Skies bukas na yan.
City kita.
Sawadee-ha, Janela. Welcome.
She's about to give you something.
Oh, what's that? Cute. Paano yan?
Ano lang?
Here?
Ganyan lang po.
Thank you. That's so cute.
Go!
Sawadee ka, Thailand! Mabuhay Philippines!
Because I went some places here in Thailand to get your banner, to get your flowers.
Kumain ka na.
I have my food now.
Okay.
Hi guys! You're so pretty! Hi, you want help, Miss Janela?
Kain na kayo ha.
Yes, sir.
Lagi ka kanina pa kanina.
Saan masakit sa?
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye.